In the world of barbecue, chicken breast has never been one of my favorite things versus doing like pork butts or ribs or something like that. But I heard recently that sous vide chicken breast can be super juicy and amazing. So we're gonna do something today, grilled chicken breast versus sous vide chicken breast, and see which one comes out better. We're gonna flame one of the sous vide ones using your gun over there, which is always fun to do. Should be an interesting battle. I may never go back to grilled chicken breast if this is gonna be as good as they say.
Grilled chicken breasts are good.
Well, it should be interesting, so let's go do it.
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Basement.
All right, we got our 5 chicken breasts here, just straight from the grocery store. We're gonna go ahead and season them up. First, we're gonna rub them a little bit with a little bit of olive oil here. Ooh, a lot comes out of there. I need one of those fancy spouts.
Yeah, the Chinese. You need the Chinese thing. Unfortunately, now there's a tariff. It'll be double the price.
Yeah, exactly.
So what temperature are we cooking these things on the Weber Searwood?
On the Weber Searwood, we'll do between 350 and 400. In the sous vide, we're gonna do 140. So the question is, how come chicken needs to be 165 degrees to be considered done when you grill it and 140 degrees in the sous vide? Do you know the answer?
To kill something.
So apparently 165 degrees kills salmonella instantly. As soon as the chicken reaches 165 degrees, the salmonella is dead. With sous vide, you can do 140 degrees as long as you reach 140 and let it go for an extra at least 27 minutes. The salmonella or any other bacteria is killed. On a grill, if you tried to do 140 degrees, get the chicken to 140, and then let it sit for 27 minutes, you'd end up with dry chicken breast. Whereas in sous vide, it's supposed to come out still very nice and juicy. But we're gonna find out.
I like it.
All right, so now we're gonna do the seasoning. This is homemade rub with a bunch of different ingredients in here. We got 1 part salt, pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and then half part oregano and half part dried thyme.
And a little bit of coffee from Central America.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle, and then I'll let you pat it in.
Do you mean a slapper?
Yeah, slap it, of course, always.
Yeah, there you go. Go liberal. So we're announcing our new basement hangout line of seasonings.
This is all commodity stuff you can get from the grocery store, by the way.
But you got the big salt block and you like took it off and then grinded it down. And, smells good.
Do you smell it?
No, I have COVID.
It's a little late in 2025 for COVID.
Well, no,
right?
COVID's still around, guys.
Is it?
And gals.
I do like having the extra hands here. Can
Yeah,
you be
it always
here
helps.
when I'm cooking for the family?
Of course.
Be here just to turn the meat for me?
Yeah. And then
I
leave.
won't feed you.
No drinks or anything, just leave, turn the meat and leave. So I've seen someone lick their hands after touching chicken, they didn't get sick. Why is that?
I mean, it's a crapshoot. If your chicken doesn't have salmonella, you're good to go. I'll take that he's not gonna get salmonella, you take that he is.
All right, ready?
$100. I didn't say me.
No, I know, but it's, you know.
All right, we're gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes to sweat in all that nice seasoning while we turn on the Typhur Sous Vide, get that thing up to temp, 140 degrees. Let's go do that. So very simple on the sous vide station. Hit the power button.
Oh, you took the beta fish out? Good.
I was gonna cook him, but like I said before many times, I love this Typhur Sous Vide Station.
Yeah,
man. This thing is very, very impressive.
Should be like, Typhur.
All right, we're gonna set it to 140. And we're gonna do at least an hour and a half. So I'm gonna set it for 2 hours and hit start. I really enjoy this thing. When do one of you want to take it? Will your wives allow you? Donnie says yes.
I don't know.
He's laughing nervously.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
All right, we'll see you in about 30 or 40 minutes to get the first chickens in the sous vide, and we'll go from there. All right, the sous vide station is ready. We're gonna do 3 chicken breasts in the sous vide and 2 on the grill. Do the honors. Yep. All right, clip that to the bottom just to make sure it stays down in the water.
Whew.
Is it hot?
I mean, not crazy, but it always feels weird.
We'll see where we are in an hour and a half. I'm looking forward to this.
It should be good. Ooh.
We'll stick these back in the fridge. We're gonna do these when that's got 30 minutes left. We're gonna stick them on the sear wood. Hopefully they get done at the same time. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Cheers.
All right, so the sous vide chicken breasts have about 20 minutes to go. Actually, they're already ready, but they can hold as long as we want. So it's time to get this thing fired up. We're going with our Old Faithful smoking pecan, the best pellets that were ever invented.
They are amazing.
So we're gonna put those things in here.
Yeah, they're good. They taste good. They last longer.
Go right to 300 degrees to start. And we're off and running.
He doesn't like the camera.
Okay, so it's been an hour and 40 minutes and it's basically ready. It's been ready for a little while. The beautiful thing about this is once it hits 0, it's gonna stay in its holding pattern at the same temperature. Got 8 seconds left. It's gonna chime that it's ready to go. And then eventually it will just say, I'm going in holding pattern. And it will continue to hold. So now we can go get the other chicken on the grill.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go do that.
So should we sous vide wings and then, I mean, you've been
We
doing
can always
everything.
try, right? Sous vide, then put them in the basket at like 550 degrees for like
450, let's not get crazy.
well, like for like 2 minutes. All right, we're ready to go. This guy's at 375 degrees. We're gonna put him over here on the hot side. Nice sizzle. How long do you think that's gonna go, Bob?
So 3 feet takes about 30, 40 minutes, so we gotta check. It's gonna turn out amazing.
It's gonna be awesome. Grilled, sous vide, and sous vide plus flamethrower. Which one's gonna be the best?
I'm hoping flamethrower.
Yeah?
What do you
Okay.
think?
I'm kind of hoping just straight sous vide, to be honest.
But is it gonna have the smoke taste? No, because we didn't pre-smoke
No, there's not gonna be any smoke taste. But
Yes, there's no way.
this isn't necessarily about smoke taste.
Yeah, that's what I like.
I like chicken breast to be nice and juicy, so we'll find out.
All right.
See you in a bit. The chicken breasts on the grill are ready to go. They're just at 165. So now we gotta take these out. We gotta grab 2 of them because we're gonna flamethrow those on the grill.
How are these looking?
Man, it smells quite good. They look like we just, when we put them in there, there's no difference.
That's the one thing about the sous vide. Gotta
You
get
can't
past
even
the
tell
sight.
by looking at it, right?
Everything's okay. We know they're at temp.
They smell fantastic. So let's take 1 out. Let's take 2 out. All right, let's take these out and flamethrow them.
All right. Just do it right on your cutting board.
So those are obviously ready, as you can see. They look pretty fantastic, I must say. Get that thing started, man. Oh yeah.
Are we looking for color or what am I doing?
Yeah, we'll know when we see it.
Oh, a nice char.
Yeah. Sounds good. I hear the crackling.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that char. That's definitely ready right there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, they look great.
Man, that smells good.
Yeah, it looks great.
All right, let's go in.
Looking good, looking good.
Smelling fantastic.
Yeah, I think your seasoning is right on. I'm a little
All right.
scared of the sous vide one.
I am too, but you know what? It is what it is. We're gonna try this one the way it is. Let's cut right in. It's like butter. Oh, it's juicy. You hear that? It's definitely done. Look at that.
Pink. Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Tender as all could be.
Right? That's what they say. Like melt in your
juicy.
mouth. Yeah, that is super tender. Go ahead, grab that. The end has mad flavor.
Juiciest chicken I've tasted.
Damn, that is good, I must say. All right, let's try the regular
Interesting.
grilled.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
It's not stringy. Looks nice and juicy.
I'm a believer in grilled.
It is a little bit tougher, I can tell just by cutting it.
Yeah, that thing is, it's a little more bite on the outside, but very juicy.
Good flavor, but this is definitely more tender.
Yeah,
By far more tender, right?
it is.
All right, let's try the sous vide plus.
This has got to be the amazing one, I
It's
think.
gotta be. Look at that.
Yeah, it's dripping.
It's perfect. Damn, that's good.
Super juicy
That is as juicy as this,
with the char.
with a little bit of char on the outside. You can taste the char.
That's the juicy chicken I'm tasting.
Would you agree that the sous vide plus the char is better than the regular grilled?
It's way juicier, dude.
I love the way that looks, I gotta say, take a look. It's perfectly cooked throughout.
It's amazing how juicy it is. I'm a little shocked.
I gotta tell you, I'm sorry, but these regular grilled chicken breasts, I'm putting those to the side. I could make sandwiches with that. I could do chicken salad. These sous vide ones, so much more tender.
Yeah, that's...
Even the one that wasn't charred. The thing is, the one that wasn't charred has more flavor. Right? See?
Yeah, I think this is the best one.
I mean, what can you
Can't
say
go
about
wrong.
that?
Typhur Sous Vide.
Typhur Sous Vide wins the day.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Damn it, Searwood. Very upset.
No, this is different. Man, that sous vide's...
Bomb, right?
Yeah. I really wanted the flamethrower to be the best, but...
Because it's the most fun. I gotta tell you, if you sous vide chicken breast and you make a sauce
Yeah, that would be...
to then put over it, and it's that tender with the flavor plus the sauce or maybe some lemon, that's gonna be the best chicken breast you've ever had. Sous vide is the winner of the day on chicken breast, 100%, right?
Yeah,
No doubt.
Yeah, no doubt. So we gotta smoke some wings for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, sous vide them, and then we
Yeah.
crisp them up in the
Oh, that's
smoker.
gonna be an awesome test. We gotta try that. Thanks for hanging out.
See you next time.